Hey YouTube, hiding behind that lot somewhere back there is the belt I need for the deck. So yeah, looks like I'm going to have to go digging. I found the belt that came with the deck, so at least now I have a part number to work out what kind of section belt it is, but I'm not sure either of these pulleys would have been much use to me anyway, because looking at the section of that and that wouldn't be much between that and slipping, because the inside of the belt here would be nearly touching here, and once it does that it's just going to slip. Same goes with this one. This one's a little bit better, but I think it's a similar sort of situation where it looks like it's pretty much in, we've got that in shot, it's pretty much touching the inside there as well. And of course these are the pulleys that came with it. As hopefully we can see there, that looks a little bit further out than what the other two do. So it's time to do some belt shopping and some pulley shopping. Before I can buy pulleys, I need to work out the tip speed of the blade. So I've got, looks like about 1415 millimeters there, 1416, somewhere in that vicinity, because that's ultimately going to determine what pulley that I purchase for the motor. Now ideally I'd be measuring from halfway on the belt to halfway on the belt on the other side, as that will give me the true diameter of what I'm looking for. But unfortunately most times when you're looking at pulleys, they tend to measure them on the OD. So that being the case, I'm probably going to have to do the same thing. So I've got a measurement there of roughly 117 millimeters. And if I was to measure where the belt sat, I'd probably be more around something like 102, 103, somewhere in that neighbourhood. Now I wouldn't trust these vernier calipers as far as I could throw them, so take the readings with a pinch of salt. But what have I got there? That's not right. Try that again. What have we got there? Can I see? Don't know if you can see that. Last time I measured it was somewhere around about an inch. Now this I find kind of interesting, because I had this pulley over the shaft and it's measuring up at, well, it was measuring up at 25. There. So how that's fitting on a 1-inch shaft I do not know. And that's why I don't trust these things. Oh, that one's looking a bit better. That was showing 25 before as well, so obviously they are an inch, even though this guy's not telling me that. But it does fit on that shaft. Try the other end. No, it's still saying it's... But how that goes on this shaft here, I do not know. Can't see that. Hopefully you can. Last measurement to be taken, and that's the bolt hole size on the engine, and I need to know that in order to get some vibration dampening happening. Around about 8.5 millimeters by the looks of things, so that gives me an idea what to look for.